Friend Kojo Edu Buahi, encoding Komokaka, a Jedu Adama Sotomika Crasas in Genkanwo.
And council.
Amen. Bamena, Wadama, I say, Yen far as some be at a sa, and far angel Obinimunko Tia court to say, not on Tiana Tuana Fen and Penny Flo, and it's yes on Tia Sakano, and answer Munchia Mamba some of the Mayan Potin, and say,
Yo, Miniaba, me correct.
Bamena, but no.
Okay, I'm sure what you're pulling now. And I was to say, one man home, and I said the radio to send me on the chair. 2 million radio. The first show, assembly GRA and the assessment to be a very fast assessment. Now, I'm not over the buy and the question is now, name Moon now. And the ancient of what is in India, you know more traffic now. I say, you know more. I was one of the media which has said it cannot be a movie. After suddenly, who you see, I say, another, you answer, or more, alcohol, or more issue, or more authority. It has a commissioner general or whatever. Now, almost bishop in the bank at the hall. You see, can be all bank here, no, almost person of the nation, but almost official. Nobody did figure the sack. And of course, I near it, and the lawyers are not so sure any only objection or more objective to that decision. No, I mean, they call high court, so they stand up with the and you know, they call you say, and they also need to attack you for said, which means a issue to me. Now, said also, why a garnishment, you see, that bank, you know. We don't say, can now myself party now when you make me. And now if you say, Yako, I was saying, you made the call, court, not court, so it's in the boy. And then you have some, they call you. Good. Now, if I show, call ruling, no, and so no. And now, yes, and no. At least, 7 years here, you know. I was said, you know, enough time at transit. So, no, but also.
What am I also permit you?
And you know, yeah, application, they call you, no, dear, because in the court, I just may say, you know, fine, or this is, you know, because one can say, Yan Conco Chia, a sum of 1.6 million a year, over, you know, 16 billion, no. Court of Pastor number. In fact, we now many buy 12 pages, you know. So the being our share say GRA should be go to 16 billion and get the tax liability. No. The more year the coin say GRA no, so the almost so much authority. Now say the almost actual. So the obesity or by tax the obia theater, so the bishop will not tax. But say one fabra pan should be a court to her. And the umbrella court my room quickly, the lawyer stand out for appeal. Oh, appeal court, and also so.
I just do my member not young fan in TNTM na ye do what you are saying, was an ability to me at say ye pa. The Eddie can oversee and Tiasia say, Asamia, Bishop Daniel Obinim, any illegal team at the Quadan court and say, Sa or she, ya, a GRA, at the Quaco Obinim Sikaso Ewo Eco Bangeno. Money a GRA ya Junior and ye and then I'm the Quadan court and yes, sir. No, it's money quarter.
What's my decoy? No,
yo, it's money quarter now, quarter no bomb, master and Eddie Guyeno, and a quarter no can't sign at the four or stop here. And now further in the willing no osteti say GRA any won't quine. So what then in Zaka Musicano, no more money montrase, Namonto to a general fan home, and answer or can't say what Boguno and one a premier.
I can't say what Boguno. The court further went on to state I appeal if you are not happy with the ruling, and if you are not interested with the ruling now. Momono court now shall say, young Conco Chia, Tika GRA for Edeba and say, sabi bi so bi ni any tax liability no any the court and shut down
yo na wadama enje obi ni legal team ya ne hefo
what the any the actually the cultural for security reasons what the money fund
kamidi bi se wase bi ne mo mama fa ne se so na me bisa o se ene wo court se Ghana Revenue Authority adinensa kwa akoto obi nim sika ewo Ecobank so se what the cut tax ontia enti ye de se akoto so ne age se sika no ena se wo any enje obi nim so wontia se GRA be ya sa and into the Kodan court to say court na camera sem on ka bi informal say GRA ni ho kwan so de nsa to sika so na sa court na akobo na go no aka de akere say be me na me pa charge kuku ka na kokon tokwa indirect de na court na be say o kan de kire what you say
on say mini aba matras on say court no so ewo sabe almost status almost loss ne ade almost procedure ne ade on say Assembly of High here, there was number of days to be out to me at the court, and I said, we are visitor. And the court, you know, and can the teacher say, or more well, you know, say, young country, but a new market in the court to not teach the so it's in a quite a far so a day a 7 bar or not that day, another simple.
I tell you,
one can be a my senior. And yes, we are caught now, Bobu said, a seminal engineer was a court, you know, and this may say, no, this may say, and the Quran or Chile say, you reach me, you reach me 200 among you. Now, you have followed the due process of the law. What you are saying?
You, I tell you, maybe Minchawano, yet was see a bit me up why obi can you see a chimudi a chenipana near Timmy Achemu, may say the Edikai, would we and no one opinion? I made me full up question about me, said the Edikai. Sign a wisi here. Walk about quarter ago. Say Ghana Revenue Authority. So what they say for 2 seekers who Ecobank essence or see for the past years it be went to our tax and what they say for 2 seekers so Ecobank. And now Okobo court na go say sa anamono Ghana Revenue Authority A2 when no anyade into court and can be mount say e ma Ghana Revenue Authority finance and 2 seekers so Ecobank. Nasa court ne kasa sa adesrede na de betu na ninsa ma ne fa onsan to sika so no babo egu a oti ase sei
ni aba no nchire se bio ada se court de okọ woni wasam kwa otumi egbogu oti ase edi tin e wo court ni so no oti ase from the ruling of the court now otumi wo ho kwa se wo ya appeal. So, say no, ye yin to mu say, any who say, a can be also no, yes, I won't pass yes, I appeal. But what about good no, and I make say, Ebi and I won't be an idea, I was in a fashion. So, Ebi, follow the legal procedure near the marketing GTB, and the arm manager. And you're not so just a court of boy after Nebula, who share any.
I do.
And so on to explanation.
There be part of any sound wadama. Maybe some bisa question if you say a funny intention man may tear for tears here. After one of my young Jane say, yeah, court no. I didn't ruling, Abba say, Wabo Masam not to a goo. Nemo Bona Waba to a gunu say, Montia Sia, a Quenya Hosamobeko Court of Appeal no. And also Emma Ghana Revenue Authority who a Quenya say or carry on when the action say. What didn't say to a year bank in Sika so Obinim Sika so Ecobank and one of me against
no, your father injunction. Yeah, the injunctions also are to almost so, including Ecobank. They don't have, even though court are not ruling, but we file an injunction against that. As I say, echo appeal court. Aha. And the assembly, I don't know. Say we are not pleased with the ruling of the year, and we are filing injunction. And this is the GRA Ecobank and any who I said, you or more Eco you Bisika. And the subject court today, every court, you know, in the past, a competent court of jurisdiction. By the past, and the person to me, I am from so. And you know, I was starting last one from the second court to the district, whatever. No, the court, no, the court. Yes, we have to use the court. And
you say, and I'm
more. I said, court, you know, dismiss your say, said you. the years you know quite say. Now said what you want to be say. Said the what the car and you grab out of the blue no. Mama a chance and not mostly sick or Obi a me you. Obi a me you. And I even cried and because in course of court, you know, near court, my name, one more you look at it. Don't maybe no. My pronouncement to said it was illegal, it was unlawful, it was legitimate. Say, DNA, for that matter, EcoBank, any right to say, of timidity inside, disobedience. Now, we were shocked and surprised to say, in the ruling of the court, or side 10, that, you know, or no, at the point would be another car, you know. If you are not happy, you are not satisfied, you are so quickly, you're in junction, I told your friends, you know, so, as if you have filed appeal, you're the cop.
Okay. Apani da se pa ye mamo so ya we shemo well say ja.
Na ma me fa katranka ho mi yaba.
Quick one.
O say no publication e ba ye no. Say no. The legal team no plan so e plan say on be see that in the paper na the publication. But some of these journalists, excuse me to say, say ya be ba ya hwehwemu. O say the caption of the so ya na ha gen katra. Say Utumika said, court throws out the Shomobinin. Others seem to pay 1.6 million to state. Enter. It's also the ruling court to the buyer. Oh, my, it's too sensational. What they tell you a buyer, it's something that's today. They won't quite stress that the journalists are more Ghana, our more practices. Check the money, you know, bar. Most authentic, you know, and then we are no beer, and you know. So, you say, no, we see you get him, you know. And now that action the buy you know. At least almost taking legal action against that particular paper. And say no. I need a year. And yes, I call William. Call William. I will hope. Bishop and coach 1.6 million.
Yatia say Uda ho. Obani yada sepa ene obra no wadaje tweda bonyankopon ensha ni peten nkan wono ana ye administrator ewo International God's Way Church Reverend Kwadwo Edu Buahin ejadu ene ye de frɛ no